Like many others, have you been waiting for Tesla's Q3 financial reports? While Tesla has previously disclosed its delivery and manufacturing figures, the Q3 financial report goes into much greater detail about the company's development. This is one that you most definitely don't want to miss. Following the market's closing on October 19th, Tesla revealed its financial figures, confirming that while revenue was lower than anticipated, it was nevertheless able to achieve projections for earnings. Following the bell, Tesla released its third quarter profits. During the earnings call, management answered a wide range of queries, including those about macroeconomic issues and CEO Elon Musk's potential takeover of Twitter. Tesla announced adjusted earnings per share of $1.05 compared to Refinitiv surveyed analyst expectations of 99 cents per share and revenue of $21.45 billion compared to $21.96 billion. Prior to continuing, Mumu created a new role known as the industrial chain. Let's say you wish to discover which stocks might change over the next several days or months. You will greatly benefit from the industrial chain. It offers a thorough overview of the hottest sectors, such semiconductors and electric vehicles. Finding stocks quickly, either upstream or downstream, allows you to concentrate on specific industrial segments more rapidly. Additionally, since segments and industries are related, you could forecast price changes more quickly without having to read a lot of research papers to understand the relationships inside a single industry. In Q3 2022, Tesla's net income gap was $3.33 billion. The company's automotive gross margins were constant at 27.9, the same as they were in the previous quarter. In the same time the last year, Tesla declared $1.62 billion in earnings. The carmaker's cash balance reached a record $21 billion last quarter, with operating free cash flow of $3.3 billion. As previously noted during the earnings call, a number of Tesla executives, including CEO Elon Musk, addressed and covered a number of significant topics regarding the business and its development. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, first discussed the prospect of a buyback of Tesla stock. According to Musk, the board of directors at Tesla has been debating the merits of the company's recent buyback demands and thinks it could easily fund one regardless of the current climate. At the board level, the buyback idea has been discussed in great detail. In general, the board believes that a buyback makes sense, but we want to make sure that the procedure is followed correctly. However, Musk stated, "We could definitely do a buyback of between $5 and $10 billion. Musk went on to say that even if 2019 might end up being an extremely challenging year, it's still likely that Tesla will undertake a significant buyback. Musk then talked about his fears regarding the recession. Musk claims that Europe is going through a recession that is fueled by energy, while China is going through a kind of reverse recession. Musk, meanwhile, thinks that North America is doing fairly well and that the US isn't. Musk thinks that even if the Fed is raising interest rates more than necessary, they will soon come to their senses and lower them once more. I cannot emphasize we have excellent demand for Q4, and we expect to sell every car that we make for as far into the future, as we can see Tesla's chief executive officer stated. In reality, the corporation ought to keep increasing the number of customer vehicles it delivers at the current dizzying rate of at least 50% annually. Naturally, it assumes Musk can locate enough trucks, trains, and ships to transport them. There just aren't enough transportation objects, which is why Q3 unit sales disappointed. According to him, Tesla grew too large. We are not reducing our production in any meaningful way, recession or not recession, Musk stated. Later on, Musk also discussed the highly anticipated Tesla Semi and Cybertruck, two more goods. Musk stated that he would personally deliver the first semi-commercial vehicles to Pepsi on December 1st. He also stated that he plans to manufacture 50,000 units in North America by 2024 following a steady one-year ramp. We will begin ramping up production of the Tesla Semi, which is a max-load heavy truck that's a class of truck, Musk said. We'll be ramping up semi-production through next year, as per Musk's statement. The business is nearing the end of its preparations, with Giga Texas starting tooling. We remain on course to commence early production in the middle of the following year, the head of engineering, Lars Morave, stated on the call. Notably, Musk did not respond to a query about the expected cost of the Cybertruck and Tesla Semi. At this point, we've done the engineering for Cybertrucks and for Semi, states Elon Musk. Now that the Semi and Cybertruck development is complete, focus is turning to a more affordable entry model, which some media outlets claim is the first low-cost robo-taxi completely void of a steering wheel or pedals, Musk stated. The goal was to have the cost versus the larger Model 3 and Y platform And he anticipates production will swiftly exceed that of all of Tesla's other cars combined. The 4,680 battery cells were discussed throughout the call as well. Musk acknowledged last quarter's challenges in meeting his objectives for his 4,680 cells, but since then, the capacity has tripled and the emphasis has shifted to cost optimization. Our production of 4,680 cells has tripled in Q3. Compared to the previous quarter, Musk stated. Basically, production of 4,680 ramp is growing exponentially. Musk expressed his belief that the 4,680 batteries will work. We still feel confident that 4,680 will be the most competitive battery cell in the world, Musk stated. The company is working very hard to reach 1,000 gigawatt hours of in-house 4,680 manufacturing annually in the US alone, as quickly as possible. This production includes the production of anode and cathode, as well as lithium refining, and covers all major processes in the processing of battery cells. Many companies that focus solely on manufacturing battery cells aren't even that vertically integrated and rely on suppliers, Musk stated. It's unclear when exactly this goal needs to be accomplished, but Musk's enormous new Giga Texas factory is now set up to generate 100 gigawatt hours of solar energy. Crucially, additional volumes for outside suppliers are not included in this tenfold increase to 1 full terawatt hour. Elon Musk discussed FSD as well. Anyone who has ordered a full self-driving beta full self-driving will have access to the FSD beta program this year, probably about a month from now, Musk stated. Musk went on to say that anyone buying a car will have instant access to complete self-driving capabilities. The safety that we're seeing when the car is in FSD mode is actually significantly greater than the safety we're seeing when it's not, which is a key threshold for going to a wide beta. The Tesla CEO said on the conference call. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, made a fairly audacious forecast that excited Tesla supporters. Of course, it was not without its detractors. Musk stated, "I see a potential path with Tesla worth more than Apple and Saudi Aramco combined." Musk revealed that while Tesla saw some local ups and downs, the company's long-term trend has been very positive. I stated on our earnings a number of years ago, I mentioned in the call that I believe Tesla might surpass Apple, the highest cap business at the time, in value. According to Musk, the market was worth roughly $700 billion at the time. At that point, Tesla's market capitalization actually exceeded Apple's. The CEO of Tesla now thinks the company can far outperform Apple in terms of market capitalization. In fact, I see a potential path with Tesla worth more than Apple and Saudi Aramco combined, Musk stated. Musk did not waste any time in clarifying that the procedure will not be simple. That does not imply that it will occur or be simple. Actually, I believe it will be quite challenging. It will need a great deal of labor, some really innovative new items, controlled growth, and constant good fortune, he remarked. Musk also mentioned Saudi Aramco, a publicly traded natural gas and petroleum firm with its headquarters located in Dhahran, Saudi Arabia. Musk believes there is a possibility for Tesla to be worth around twice as much as Saudi Aramco. This is the first time I've seen that potential, Musk stated. Apple's market capitalization is approximately $2.3 trillion, but Saudi Aramco's is approximately $2 trillion. Thus, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, believes the company is worth about $5 trillion. To find out the precise performance of Tesla's stock, visit Moomoo, included link in bio. During the earnings call, Musk stated, I should mention that when I said that probably now that I see a path, an extremely very difficult path, incredible execution required a massive amount of hard work and some luck to get to where Tesla with as much as Apple and Saudi Aramco combo fine, I wasn't including Optimus. This statement suggests that Musk anticipates Tesla's value to increase if the humanoid robot Optimus performs well. But a day after investors processed the company's third quarter results report, Tesla shares fell by roughly 6.7%. The earnings call didn't sit well with us, aside from the financials, according to a letter written by Tony Sacconaggi, senior research analyst at Bernstein. On the earnings call, CEO Elon Musk frequently made extremely audacious predictions about Tesla's future and potential, while also providing brief and somewhat dismissive answers to numerous concerns. Nonetheless, perspectives on Tesla continue to diverge, with bulls holding onto their optimism and bears remaining bearish. To stay up to date on the latest information regarding Tesla stock, subscribe to this channel.